Thank you for joining us for this week's KHSD News. I'm ERIN BRISCOE-CLARKE. The Kern High School District is excited to open its doors to the first Employee Health Center on March 1st. The Kern High School District is excited to provide you and your family with an additional healthcare benefit. EduCare is the first KHSD Employee Health Center located at 9900 Stockdale Highway in Southwest Bakersfield. EduCare is a collaboration between the district and HealthStat, which is a third-party, HIPAA-compliant healthcare provider.
We are proud to partner with HealthStat to offer acute care and medical services for our employees. The Kern High School District is fortunate that we are one of the few districts in America to offer these services to our people.
EduCare allows Kern High School District employees and their dependents who participate in our insurance program to receive healthcare benefits with no out-of-pocket expenses.
EduCare will also provide the following services: acute and episodic care. Those are your sick visits when you're not feeling well. Chronic condition care to help manage conditions you may have been previously diagnosed with or a condition identified and diagnosed by an EduCare provider. Annual wellness visits, wellness coaching, dispensary of certain medications at the point of care, lab services, virtual care, and limited wait times. EduCare will open its doors to you on March 1st. Learn how you can schedule your appointment today by visiting kerneducare.org. A new club at North High School is getting things cooking. Student members of North's first culinary club are learning their way around the kitchen. Students meet every Friday via Zoom and walk through recipes together to prepare dinner or a dessert. Teacher Maria Guzman told her students a few years ago that if they wanted to start a culinary club, that she would be the advisor. Due to the pandemic and having to cook most meals at home, student and club president MAXINE RONASE thought it was the perfect time to get the club going.
I wanted to learn how to cook and bake since I wasn't really experienced in that area. And I just know that other kids aren't really experienced as well, so I wanted to give them the opportunity to have experience in cooking and baking, so in the future it could help them in the long run.
As for Ms. Guzman, she's also learning along with her students.
That I have learned so much. I do not consider myself a really good cook or a baker, but I have always liked it ever since I was younger. And this club has made me realize I've actually learned a lot of things that can help me with my personal cooking, with my baking, and things I like to do in my leisure time. So I am really grateful.
When in-person instruction resumes, RONASE says that the club will be able to use a classroom on campus that has a working kitchen. Centennial High School students who made the principal's list received a special thank you for their accomplishments. Mr. Gwynn, teachers, counselors, and the admin team greeted students and parents during a drive-through celebration held in the school parking lot. Nearly 800 students earned a 3.5 GPA or higher the first semester to make the principal's list. There were many smiles as school staff were able to congratulate students face-to-face. Keep up the great work, Hawks. Frontier art students combined their talents for the One Book Project. Each year, the One Book Project kicks off, encouraging the community to share experiences related to a chosen book through various community engagements. This year's book was the nonfiction read Broadband by Claire L. Evans. Art classes studied themes central to the book: technology, community, and contribution.
The One Book, One Bakersfield Art Project was a project where we were encouraged to do a stylized self-portrait and then connect it with our fellow students in the class in some way via color or pattern or a combination of such. And it was really difficult, but it was really fun.
GIESE says she used watercolors and pencils for her portrait.
It was interesting to figure out different things and how I view myself versus how I am portrayed, basically how I look and how I think of myself. And that was very interesting.
At the culmination of the project, the class connected to create a visual presentation sharing what they learned.
Good afternoon, students. My name is Dr. Brenda Lewis, and I am your Associate Superintendent of Instruction here in the Kern High School District. I am very honored to have the opportunity to welcome you to our first district-wide school site collaborative virtual Black History Month program. We have celebrated Black History Month on our individual school sites for many years, but this is the first time that we have had a virtual celebration.
Students and staff from across the district joined together with community members to produce the KHSD Black Heritage Program. On Thursday, students were invited to a virtual watch party to view the hour-long program, which included motivational speeches, Black History Month facts, performances, and more.
Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring, ring with the harmony.
My name is Janae Hudson, and this is my poem entitled The Black Dollar. Black people not only have survived when the odds were against us, but we have thrived when having each other's backs was a must. We are shaping the present and are finally in the light. Our ability to innovate, to create, has helped us reunite.
Let's go. At the end of the day, pick yourself up, reach out for resources. If you really need, reach out for J.O. Okay, you are not alone. We are here to help. We are here to support. So let's go. Okay, it's each one, teach one in 2021.
You can find more Black History Month celebrations from around the district by visiting the Black History Month page at kernhigh.org. Thank you for watching this week's KHSD News, and don't forget to connect with us on Twitter at KHSD_official. See you next time.